management gone? What has gone wrong? It's not good to say, but it is a fact that 20,000 cases on an average is there in Kerala. At this point of time, 108,000 cases are there in Kerala, contributing approximately 50% of the total burden of COVID. This is not management, this is mismanagement. This is not Kerala model, it is a model of mismanagement which we have to understand and which I would like to share with you. More than the tests, 70% of the tests were done antigen tests. And we all know that the real way of testing was RT-PCR. Now you are going for RT-PCR tests, but at that point of time, you didn't do it, and because of that, the burden of COVID has risen, has swollen to this level, which we have to understand. And we also know that in this COVID management, what proactive role the government had to play, that role was not played. That is also we have to understand. You know, what is the population of Kerala? 3.58 crores. And corona cases is 38 lakhs, which contributes to 10.3%. Now look at there, Uttar Pradesh. What is the population? The population is 22.9 crores, means 23 crores. And what is the corona cases? 17 lakh. What contributes? It is 0.73%, which we have to understand. If we talk about Madhya Pradesh, the population is 7.3 crores. The cases are 8 lakhs, 1.2% of the population. And this is the management which we talk about. And internationally also it has been accepted that UP's COVID management has been excellent, which we have to understand. I'm not trying to ridicule any state, but I would like to say what difference it makes when the leader is honest to the cause and when the leader is not honest to the cause, what difference it makes. This is what I would like to share with you with these statistics. Friends, it is certainly a great honor for us that the country is being led by Prime Minister Modi. You see, in COVID management, prosperous countries like America, like Europe, countries of Europe, who had better health facilities than us, we found them in a very precarious condition. Almost with best health facilities, their facilities were crumbling down. And what was their population? 22 crores, somewhere 6 crores, 3 crores, 10 millions, 20 millions, 22 million. This was the population. But here in India, 1.3 billion people. Prime Minister Modi took a very bold decision at the right time, and lockdown was implemented. And during the lockdown period, he made the country ready to fight against COVID. This was called management, which we have to understand. If we talk about at that point of time, we do not make PPE kits. But now, India is exporting PPE kits. At that point of time, we could not make masks. Now India is not only self-sufficient, but also seen to it that we are able to export masks. Not only that, we became self-sufficient in sanitizers. We became self-sufficient in ventilators. All these facilities were created at that point of time, which we have to understand. And I am happy to share that in Kerala also, day before yesterday, our Health Minister, Mansukh Bhai Mandavia, has given a special package to Kerala of 267.35 crores for strengthening the health systems and especially getting prepared for the third wave and especially making Kerala prepared for the children by making special ICUs and 10 kiloliter oxygen tank facility in every.
बताया गया कि 2 साल पहले पीड़ित का रेप